In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two clips together in Premiere Pro. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to show you what I have right here. So I have these two clips right here. And yep, in order for us to basically merge them, it's actually very simple. You're just going to highlight them depending on how many clips you have here, 2, 3 or more. You can just highlight all of them and then right click any of them and then press the nest button here. Now you can go ahead and give it a name. For example, I'm just going to call this one merge sequence, just like so. And then I'm going to tap the OK button. And as you can see, we are able now to create a merge sequence. So from this point forward, you can go ahead and make some adjustment here. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and try to find the Gaussian blur. I'm just gonna try to go ahead and basically add something here. Let's say, for example, this one. Okay, so as you can see, when I add that effect, I'm not adding it to a single or individual. What happened is that I am now able to add it in this one merge clip. So there is the blur, and as you can see, if I move the timeline, you should still be able to see the effect that we have added. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to make an individual changes? So what you're going to do is just go ahead and double click this one here, and you should be able to see here your merge sequence, and you have the option to make some adjustment. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and make some cut here. I'm going to go ahead and shorten this one just like so. Now if I were to go back to my main timeline, so this is my main timeline right here, you should be able to see here the changes. Again, they are still one merge sequence. However, if you're going to go to this part right here, after this one, you should be able to see nothing anymore because again, we have shortened the clip. Now what you can do here is you can either cut this one just like so, or you can just go ahead and return the original size of that one. But basically, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.